Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. And today what we're doing on this video is stopping my brother's car from absolutely crashing. His wishbone actually popped out and he's driving it, and I told him you can't drive it, and I saw him earlier with my nan in the car and I was like, whoa, you're not doing that anymore. He said he hasn't got the money to repair it and stuff, and I was like, you need to, and I can't get to work, all this kind of stuff. So me being the brother I am, he has actually got the spare part. He just obviously doesn't have the knowledge and the confidence to fit it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to my nan's. I'm going to get him to come to my nan's, and we're actually going to try and fit it. So yeah, it's not going to be any mad mods, because obviously this virus is just killing everything. I might have a couple of reviews coming up in the next couple of days. Hopefully we can get it all, a couple of videos locked in and done before this virus actually takes over and we actually get locked down, because if it does, then there's going to be no videos and that. But if I can get some videos out, also all you lot are sitting at home self-quarantining and all that, you can have some vids. So I'm not going to touch my face, not going to touch my hair, I'm not going to bite my nails because I could have coronavirus. So yeah, let's get some fuel. Might be doing some photography and that later tonight, so I'll probably do a couple of separate different videos. They're not going to be like massively important, but I'm just going to bring you along on what's actually going on. So probably like a 10-minute video today on what's happening today, and then tonight if we do something, then I'll just vlog the process while at this moment it's looking a bit fruity, what's going on around the world. So yeah, catch up with you when I get to my nan's. We're putting in 20 quid's worth of Morrison's finest fuel. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Peace. Hello, Patty. No. What? Happy Mother's Day. Right then, so here is the car in question, and here is my brother. Can you please show me what you've done to your car?
Well, round here, full of bumps. I don't usually hit them hard. The suspension on this is shit, like so hard. You don't understand. Basically, the lower wishbone. Yeah, that's gone on it. The bush is gone. It went on the other side a couple of months ago, 3-4 months ago. Now it's this side, so it cost me like £200 to get it fixed last time. It was an absolute joke. So we're just gonna try and get this fixed. Yeah, I'll show you what's gone on it.
Go on then. You're not gonna shake the wheel?
Yeah. One sec. Let me get. Yeah. Go on.
Go on, this dude. Show.
So this is how we've been driving for a couple of weeks now. Let me.
Yeah, that is not supposed to do that.
Sketchy. Let's just say this one.
Yeah, this is the new one that we've got.
So this is what's meant to go on. I'm guessing it's going to be sitting like that.
Nah.
Is it going to be like that? No?
No, it's like that.
Like that, yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's the bit that's like come off and like seemed to have sheared through, so yeah, see the rubber and the metal bit, that's what I pulled off earlier, I think. So
this what I've got in the car. Same as that side on that side. So yeah, we're going to try to put that on. I'm just starting YouTube, so go over to the channel Lift with Lewis if you want to. All about fitness, training, food. Yeah, just head over. Instagram is Lift with Lewis as well, so check it out.
all natural as well, everyone. Yeah, this is no.
Been training since I was 16, nearly 17, now 20. So yeah, see it. I'll
give us a little gun pose. Gun pose. Come on. See, there you go. All natural.
Give us a message. I'll tell you all about it. Give you help if you need anything. All the gyms are closed, so any gym workout, home workout, sorry, I'll let you know. See what we can do. Peace.
But then first of all, what we are going to do, we're going to take the caps off here. You got like a cap remover tooly thing here, so you can move that, loosen off the bolts with my impact gun, sexy impact gun. We've got the breaker bar if it hasn't got the power to get them off, and then we'll jack, axle stand, and get the wheel off.
Clips, right, where's the thing? All together. Oh fuck.
Oh, I thought they would come out individually.
No.
Locking wheel nut, yeah. So,
straightforward.
Let's go. So I've come all the way over to my nan's here to help my brother, and the one thing he needs is a locking wheel nut. And I don't think he's got it. Oh, you got that locking wheel nut or what? Oh my god, so yeah, we might be in trouble already. So I've got the tools, I've got the jack, got the axle stand, got the drill, got the lot, and you can't find it. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a sec.
Jackpot!
Oh, show us the ting. Woo. Yes! Let's go!
Yeah.
Right then, so what we've got is my sexy Ryobi, yeah. We've got the Halfers reducer kit on it, so I can get the smaller, I still don't know, they're not ½ inch, 3 1/4, I don't know, I just go, yeah, I've got the medium size socket with a 17mm. I'm just gonna probably loosen them off, just crack them, and then obviously put the locking wheel nuts.
More strength from,
yeah. Hang on, whoa, sorry I put that in free. Absolutely no chance. You put them on with a breaker bar. Yep, he's put them on with a breaker bar. No good, ladies and gentlemen.
yep, easy peasy.
Watch how the wheel moves, mate. Ready? What did you do on that one? They're mad tight though.
You reckon?
Yeah. Well, what we're going to do is just jack the car up now before we loosen it up. There will be a jacking point under there somewhere, probably just under the sill there, I think. And then what we'll do, we'll take the wheel off then properly. You gonna look where you're going, or?
Oh, we're alright.
You need to make sure it's on the dot.
Yep, alright.
And everyone, this is what we're dealing with. That in there is moving for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. I think the plastic bit's actually popped out. Yeah, it has. It's perished on the inside. So the bush is just moving around freely. So what we're going to do, look at removing it. So yeah, let's have a blast. Right, that's what we've got to do. We're at the lower arm now. What I'm going to do, it looks like there's potentially 3 bolts. So there's that one there. Take that out and pull that out, and then there is 3 little ones just literally on there, so you can see from underneath. I'm going to crack them off, and then yeah, we'll see what happens then. Right, so we're just undoing it. There's 3 bolts here, 13mm, so pull them out.
So that's it. 3 bolts out. Do that. Try to get that out there. Nightmare. Breaker bar won't, well, I can't do it because that won't do it.
Yeah, breaker bars,
That won't do it.
Just pure beefcake, mate. Who needs to go to the gym with coronavirus? Deadlift. Oh, my hands are killing me.
I need to finish it.
Yeah, might as well. I've loosened it off for you now though, mate. Ah, yeah, go on, you can do it.
Let's put that 230 deadlift into.
Da, 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 da. This is it now. You go to the gym, so you need to show these people why you go to the gym. I just hope it don't snap, because normally when you try really hard on bolts and it don't.
Bit too much.
Come on, you got it, boy. You got it, boy. Show them why they should subscribe to your channel.
We're moving loads.
Boy, don't do that, son, man. I told you not to joke, because if this drops you, you won't be leg pressing nothing. You were trying to leg press the car off you. There we go. Come on. Come on, we're trying the Ryobi gun now, so. It's going, looks like it. If anyone's struggling at home, what we've done is found a bar out of his actual car and he's put it over the socket just to give us that extra bit of leverage, as you can see. But yeah, it is a
bastard.
It's slowly, please don't snap, but yeah, it's coming. We're trying to do it up now because we just can't, it will not move, honestly. Go on. This kid can move like flipping 240 kg on a deadlift, and this bolt, what do you think's harder, doing deadlift or moving this bolt?
Fuck it.
Do you reckon, mate? Like, this kid can lift weight, like I've saw him struggle like hell, and this little bolt, probably the thickness of his penis, is beating him. How do you feel knowing that one bolt's potentially beat you?
Shit, absolute shit.
It's a killer, isn't it? For some reason, for some reason, the breaker bar looks like it's trying to bend it, and the impact gun ain't doing nothing. It's doing absolutely nothing. To be fair, it wouldn't even take the bolts off the wheel. So
we had the WD-40 as well.
Yeah, WD-40 on that as well. So I don't know. But like I said, I'll show you what happens. I'll show you what goes on. So today, it doesn't look like it's going to be a winner, and I'm posting this to, if anyone knows what I've done wrong or what we could do to actually do, then please let us know. So yeah, that's it. See if we get it out in the end. You're right, everyone. We are back. Just disappointed, man. Really disappointed. If any of you like followed me for a while, you'll know that when I did the Megane suspension, we had that one bolt that was like, it was coming. That bolt was coming. You could see it was coming out. But when we had the breaker bar on it and we had the ratchet, you could see that it was going up. And then when we tried to bring the ratchet back down, the whole thing was moving. And there was so much pressure on it. It was like he was doing it and I was trying to grab onto it as well. And like, yeah, you're probably going to rinse me in that, but he's been driving like that for about a week or so. I know it's not safe, but if he still kind of needs to get about, he needs to get it done ASAP. Like, I'm not even joking. But if I took that bolt out and snapped that bolt, that means he can't drive it at all. Like, at least it's got like the 3 bolts that are holding it into the into the ball joint, and then you've got that big bolt that we couldn't get out. So that ain't gonna come out anytime soon because it wouldn't even come out for us. So there's no way it's gonna vibrate out and stuff. So yeah, I didn't want to do what I did to the Megane and just keep going at it, and then it snapped because we'd have been absolutely stuck. And then with the bush, that bush looked like I'd have to like get a hacksaw or cut it out and then try and press the other one in. Like, I don't even know how I would do that. That was like pretty complex. I have actually done this kind of thing on I had a Corsa XR or an Astra. I think it was the Astra I did it on, where I swapped the ball joint, not the ball joint, the wishbone. It's pretty simple, but I didn't want to. Obviously it's my brother's car and that, like, I don't mind if it's mine because I can deal with it, do you know what I mean? But I don't want to break his car and then be like, yeah, shit. So I tried to be the big brother. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, it's going to be a bit difficult now with what's going on with the virus and stuff. So just trying to get content out there for you guys, and hopefully we don't catch this virus. I hope everyone is well, hope everyone is safe and healthy. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed my brother. Please, I would appreciate if you go check out his channel. It's Live with Lewis. Yeah, he's a good lad. He's trying his hardest, and he doesn't seem to get the views or the subs, and he's just a bit disheartened, like it's not gonna kick off. But I did say to him, it takes time. You need to get a niche, get it growing, and you'll get there. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and subscribe. Peace. Hello, puppy. Hello. What are you doing? Peace.